Welcome to the introductory module in this training program on Know Your Clients and Client Due Diligence. The importance of KYC needs no emphasis these days. An in depth understanding of the concepts helps any individual involved in activities relating to client onboarding. In this module, you will get to know about who a client or a customer is, what is the importance of KYC in preventing financial crime, the need and its objectives. We will also understand the difference between KYC and client due diligence, the importance of KYC in anti money laundering efforts. A brief overview of the various regulators worldwide and in India will help appreciate the consistency in the reiteration of the need for customer due diligence globally. This is the pre-course knowledge check. Choose the option that you think is correct and move on to the next. Once you have made your choice, you can check for the correct answers with brief explanation for each question, right below in the same slide. These scores are not considered for any purpose but help you personally evaluate your current understanding before your training session. Never have we heard the phrase KYC, know your clients, due diligence, etc., more than in the recent days. While it was always important to know about the antecedents of your clients before entering into any contractual agreements and initiate service, the need has become more relevant in these days of technology driven transactions and fulfillment. Financial institutions need to focus much on the profile of their customers before onboarding them. Failure to do so attracts stiff penalties from the regulators. Any fraud or money laundering violation has its roots in the failure to do an effective onboarding. Here you can see the huge penalties levied by regulators worldwide. Indian regulators like RBI and SEBI have also become strict in ensuring the compliance to these requirements, as can be seen from the news snippets in this slide.